Okay, I want to talk today about a checkweigher and how a checkweigher works. And there's a lot of misconceptions about the way a checkweigher works. And so if you take a package and you put it across the scale, you see a weight. And the weight that's displayed, most people believe, is actually the weight of the carton or the container. It's really not. The weight that you're seeing displayed there is actually a weight that is an average of a number of weighments that take place. So if we kind of look at what happens across the scale, as the package comes in, you can see it gets onto the scale and then it evens out, stabilizes, then as it's coming off the end, it falls off. What we're doing is we're grabbing weighments as it's stabilized. And typically we want about 125 to 150 weighments. So what you see displayed here is actually the average of a number of weighments, somewhere between 125 and 150 weighments. But the concept is very simple. As it's passing through, it gets onto the scale bed here, and we start to weigh it. And so a lot of questions come about, well, how big or how long can that weigh pan be? And what we have to be cognizant of is the number of weighments, 125 to 150 milliseconds as it's passing. So belt speed is critical, because if my belt is going really fast, I might not have enough weighments and my accuracy drops. So that's, we have to be cognizant of the package length, the length of the package in relation to how long it's on there and then how fast it's traveling. That's number one. Number two, the accuracy in the checkweigher really involves the coming onto the scale smoothly and then going off the scale, because the entire scale section here is live. In other words, if I touch it here, what happens is it's weighing. So I want to make sure that my transfer on and my transfer off are really clean. Just like if I had a bathroom scale and I wanted to weigh myself, I wouldn't run and jump on it, because the scale would go up and down and then eventually stabilize. The same is true on a checkweigher. But that's the basic principles of understanding for your package and your application. What is the length, the linear length that it's traveling down? What's the width? What's the weight of the container? And then what's the speed? That all drives the most common things that we need to understand and know about a checkweigher application.